started as a mission to reach the unreached and plant the message of truth and love in every heart and household. This 2024, Zoe Broadcasting Network Incorporated celebrates 33 years of unwavering commitment to advancing God's kingdom. For over 3 decades, Zoe Broadcasting Network has transformed and uplifted lives in the Philippines and all over the world by producing and broadcasting competitive, creative, informative, and values-oriented content for the glory of God. 33 years of passionate and wholehearted love for God, selfless service, creativity, courage, integrity, excellence, and teamwork. Zoe Broadcasting Network Incorporated remains devoted to becoming the most trusted world-class multimedia network and will continue to be the light for the world and invest in eternity. Here's to 33 years and 33 years more. Happy anniversary, Zoe Broadcasting Network Incorporated.
Mahahalagang pangyayari sa loob at labas ng bansa.
Kinondena ng world leaders ang assassination attempt kay dating US President Donald Trump sa isang rally sa Pennsylvania nitong weekend.
Mga impormasyon na dapat malaman ng masa.
Kung bumaba ang Meralco bill ng consumers noong Hunyo, nako po, big time naman na dagdag singil ang papasanin sa July billing.
Ihahatid gabi-gabi ng inyong maaasahang tagapagbalita.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa Mirror May, so tara, samahan niyo akong i-explore.
Paalala ng DOH, anuman ang edad o antas ng pamumuhay, mahalagang may kaalaman ng publiko sa basic life support.
Dito po tayo ngayon sa loob ng detention facility para kay Mayor Alice Go at sa kanyang pamilya.
Ibig sabihin ba ng lockdown ay totally wala na talagang papapasukin sa loob ng batasang pambansa pagsapit ng hating gabi mamaya.
Limitado lamang ang pwede makapasok.
Sa pangunguna ni News Anchor Barbie Mula.
What went wrong around here kaya dahil tila sa ibang paraan na isuot ang hairnet? Maging maalam, makialam.
Zoe Broadcasting Network presents Balitang A to Z, weeknights 10:45 p.m.
Celebrate 4 decades of film excellence as the Philippine Movie Press Club gives tribute to the best films and performances of 2023. Be part of another industry milestone with cinema's brightest stars. The 40th PMPC Star Awards for Movies. July 27, Saturday. A to Z.
Aming Ama, maraming salamat at muli mo po kaming binigyan ng isang buong araw upang maging daluyan ng iyong pagpapala at liwanag sa marami. Salamat po sa pribilehiyong umabot at maglingkod sa aming mga kababayan at sa mas marami pang tao sa buong mundo. Patuloy po naming dalangin ang iyong pagsama at pag-iingat nang sa gayon may pagpatuloy po namin ang iyong layunin at maisulong ang iyong kaharian dito sa lupa. Pagpanibaguhin mo po ang aming lakas, kalusugan at sigla sa aming pagsunod sa iyo. Ito po ang aming dalangin sa pangalan ng iyong bugtong na anak na si Jesus, ang aming Panginoon at tagapagligtas. Amen.
This is DZOE-TV 11, a commercial TV station with 100 kilowatt transmitting power, owned and operated by Zoe Broadcasting Network Incorporated, with station license number BSD-0025-2024 REN, issued by the National Telecommunications Commission, valid until March 11, 2025. Zoe TV 11 studios are located at the 22nd floor Strata 2000 building, Emerald Avenue, Ortigas Center, Pasig City, with transmitter at Barangay San Roque, Antipolo City. Zoe TV 11 operates under the supervision of the following professional electronics engineers duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission. Engineer Antonio T. Soriano, PECE number 42. Engineer Vincent G. Ronquillo, PECE number 1199, and carried out by the following electronics and communications engineers and technicians duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission and National Telecommunications Commission. Engineer Rachel Ann S. Roque, PCE number 66327. Engineer Jed Ellison C. Zapanta, ECE number 62739. Engineer James Stephen M. Fabros, ECE number 70940. Engineer Abraham G. Aragon, ECE number 63291. Engineer Jimuel M. Callejo, ECE number 75471. Engineer Jack Michael B. Dalit, ECE number 68369. Charlie F. Perez, 06-1PHN-23257. Peter N. Basaliote, 06-1PNCR-23273. Gerard Lawrence O. Sandagon, 06-1PV-23313. All programs telecast on this station have been approved by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board and are seen via satellite on 5 stations nationwide: DTV20 Cebu City, DTV20 Guimaras, DTV20 Cagayan de Oro City, DTV20 Davao City, DTV32 Baguio. This is Zoe TV 11, now signing off.